LCA's latest investigation into 3 prosciutto di Parma supplier farms aired on Italy's Rai Report, a popular investigative journalistic TV program. The pig farms were all managed by Elio Martinelli, president of the Italian Pig Farmers Association, Assa Sweeney. The investigation rattled the Italian pig farming industry. Assa Sweeney's statement condemned the report, calling it another example of animal rights propaganda disguised as investigative journalism. They also claimed the footage was edited and date back several years.
Le immagini trasmesse da reporter risalgono invece al periodo di aprile, maggio e giugno di quest'anno. A dimostrarlo ci sono le date di registrazione delle telecamere, dove si vede un geolocalizzatore che conferma il luogo e un giornale che dà un'ulteriore controprova della data. Sul sito di Assa Sweeney viene spiegato che molte delle immagini erano state realizzate dagli stessi allevatori per inviarle ai veterinari per migliorare il benessere degli animali, quindi non sarebbero state raccolte dall'associazione Last Chance for Animals.
Report aired a follow-up show on November 24, 2024, and interviewed LCA's Chris DeRose.
When I saw that, I just laughed because that's the typical response. They're denying or they're lying about it. It's a typical response because they're caught with their pants down. The animals are being cannibalized, they're being mistreated, they're being killed in a brutal way. We don't doctor that up. How would you doctor something like that up? Even Spielberg couldn't do it.
The Parma Ham Consortium statement claimed the farms in question are not producers of Parma ham. Yet LCA's footage documented tattoos on the pigs, confirming they are destined for Parma ham producers.
We've got concrete proof. We've got footage of it. These people should be held accountable one way or the other. They should be held accountable because just look at that footage and look at what's going on. It's disgusting. It's beyond words.
LCA has filed a legal complaint with the Italian authorities against the farms investigated. Consumers deserve to know the truth, not the lies spewed from the Italian pig farming industry. The truth is, the footage is real, and so is the animal suffering. Go to www.lcanimal.org to learn more and take action.